everyone, welcome to QSPIDERS placement set. Today we have one more place candidate, Lakshya. Hi Lakshya.
Hello sir.
So can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. So good evening all of you. My name is Lakshya. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. I did my bachelor's from Engineering College Bikaner. After that I got a place in QSPIDERS where I learned the Python full stack, the SQL and web technology. They helped me to get placed in my company. So that's all.
Okay. How QSPIDERS helped you in your placement journey?
So in QSPIDERS, I have enhanced my skills in Python, SQL and web technology, and also I learned the cloud technology which can help me in my interviews and get placed.
How many interviews have you given from QSPIDERS?
So sir, till now I have given almost 10 to 12 interviews, which are almost half of them are online and half of them are offline.
Okay. How was your interview?
So my interview was great. They asked me about the Python knowledge, SQL, and as I tell you before that, I also learned the cloud technology, which is helped me in getting placed in my company. So only one suggestion is there कि build up your extra skills also, so that can help you in get placed in the interviews.
What do you want to tell for upcoming candidates?
So as I told before, you have to learn extra skills also for them and for placement like cloud, AI or any upcoming technology which can help you in get placed.
Okay. All the best, Lakshya.
Thank you. Thank you so much.